Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover simple sentences. There is a separate playlist of sentences in English language. There I have started the topic of sentences right from the basic, so you need to check that playlist out. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Students, before moving on to explain about simple sentences, you need to understand finite verbs, especially in case if you don't know what are finite verbs. So basically a finite verb is a verb that has tense and agrees with its subject in person and number and changes its form accordingly. So a finite verb agrees with the subject and it changes its form according to different subjects which are implied in that particular sentence. Okay, if there is a plural subject, the verb would be different and vice versa. Have a look at this example. He is singing. And have a look at the next example. I am singing. So with he you will use is, but with I you will use am. And why will you do that? Right? Because it is a finite verb, the subject has to agree with the verb. So the subject verb agreement is according to the person of the subject. Now let's come to simple sentences. Have a look at these two examples here. This book contains animal stories. This book contains animal stories. Contains is a finite verb because it changes its form according to the subject. Okay. The next example is, each of these stories embodies a profound truth. So therefore embodies is a finite verb. So simple sentence. A simple sentence expresses a complete thought. It consists of a single clause. A simple sentence has a single clause. When there is a single clause, means it has one finite verb. So in simple sentences there is a single finite verb which is in the part of the predicate of the subject. For example, this book contains animal stories. This book is the subject, whereas contains animal story is the predicate, and one finite verb is contained in the predicate, that is contains in this example. Let us have some more examples of simple sentences so that you will be able to comprehend this topic better and you will find it more approaching. The first example is, Rahman spoke very well. So in this particular example, spoke is a finite verb. A sentence in which there is a single finite verb happens to be a simple sentence, right? And it is a finite verb because if I change the tense, the whole mood of the sentence changes and the subject agrees with the verb. Okay, if the sentence would have been Rahman speaks very well, the sentence changes its meaning and instantly it will mean that Rahman generally speaks very well. Okay, it's the part of his personality, etc. The second sentence is, we were declared the best group among all the participants from the city school. Now, in spite this sentence being long, this is a simple sentence because it contains only one finite verb, that is were declared. If the subject would have been I, then the verb would have been was declared, so it is a finite verb. The next example is, I set out to do the needful right away. Set is a finite verb and set out together is a phrasal verb, and therefore the sentence is a simple sentence. The next example is, the conference was attended by the world's renowned researchers and scholars. In this sentence, was attended is a finite verb and this sentence is a simple sentence. If the subject would have been conferences, then the verb would have been were attended. So these were the examples of simple sentences. Students, this is a very important section in this video because in this portion I am going to explain you two such important points or notes that you should take care while recognizing or doing an exercise on simple sentences. Let's get started. The first one is, a simple sentence is simple. It could be long or short but should contain only one finite verb. So basically a simple sentence is usually short, but even a longer sentence can be simple if it has only one finite verb. Now look at the sentence. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment through dedicated determination and unflinching perseverance, overcoming all kinds of temptations, practicing severe austerities, facing fierce criticism. So this sentence has only one finite verb in it in spite of being that long, that is attained. Attained is a finite verb. So other words that look like verbs, that is dedicated, overcoming, practicing and facing, are all non-finite verbs. So the given sentence here is a simple sentence in spite of being long, but it has only one finite verb. Point to be noted, number second, is a sentence may have double subject or double object. Double subject or double object means having two subjects or having two objects, but if it is a simple sentence, it contains only one finite verb. So regardless the subject would be double or the object be in that case, if the sentence is simple, it would contain only one finite verb, only one finite verb. Have a look at these examples. Mayur and Arushi presented a duet. So therefore Mayur and Ayushi, double subjects, right, and there is a single finite verb, that makes it to call a simple sentence. Similarly, another example is the interview committee selected Riza and Royana. So if you see the object Riza and if you see the predicate, you will find two objects, Riza and Royana. They are two objects, but there is a single verb selected, that makes this sentence also a simple sentence. So therefore regardless the subject would be double or the object, if it is a simple sentence, it contains one finite verb. This section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Keep learning and keep growing. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box for you to check. Until then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.